For today's mobility video, all you need is a broomstick, and we're gonna work on opening up the shoulders and chest. Now the wider the grip, a little easier it is. The closer the grip, the harder it is. We're just gonna work on opening up the shoulders, just going overhead. Don't bring it all the way back. It's kind of a warm up right now. Very good. We're gonna lift up, and we're going to tilt to the side and tilt to the other side. Very good. Bring it back behind your back and rotate side to side. Keep your feet planted to the ground. Focus on rotation through your torso. Very good. Okay, we're going to press back up and over. Bring it back in front and lift up and try to scratch the back with it. Very good. And press all the way back up and bring back forward. Now if this bothers your shoulders, modifiers to keep the stick in front of you. For me, I'm just trying to get a nice stretch by scratching the middle of my back with the stick. Now I'll remind you, it's not a natural movement, so I wouldn't recommend doing the behind the neck press with any weights. Just using a broomstick at home is perfectly fine. Rotate side to side. Very good. We're going to go into a good morning, where you just basically push your hips back to the wall and bring your head down as low as you can. With every rep, you're going to push your hips back towards the wall and drop your chest down and rise up slow. Very good. Another rep. Push your hips back as far as you can. Hang out here nice and low. Very good. And rise up slow. Let's get another rep. Hips back. Allow your own weight to bring you forward. And we're going to rotate. Bring back to center. Rotate to the other side. Very good. Back to center. And rotate on the other side. So feel this a little bit in the lower back. And press to the other side. And rise up nice and slow. Very good. Bring the bar all the way back in front. And now we're going to move into the second exercise. We're going to place the bar down for balance. And we're going to do a knee drive. And we're going to push your hips back. Now the modifier is at the top. If you can't hinge all the way back, feel like you're going to fall over, simply work on the knee raises and a partial squat. Very good. This is great for stability and strength, working the hip flexors and the strength of your legs, all the way down to the ankles. Very good. We're going to switch sides. Rise your knee up and hinge the hip back. Now again, the modifiers at the top. Simply raising the knee and going into a partial squat is the modifier. The goal is to really work on balance and stabilization. Very nice. We're going to hinge the hips back. Notice how I keep a soft knee with the leg that's planted to the ground. Very good. Rise up and bring it back. And rise up and rest. Very good. From this one, we're going to go into an overhead squat. You're going to put your feet shoulder width apart, grab the bar nice and wide, hold it up almost like you're trying to keep it in line with the back of your ears. We're going to squat deep and press up. We're going to do squats here. Now the modifier, if you can't do that overhead position, simply keep the bar chest level out in front and work on your squats. Very nice. Additional modifier too would be to put a chair behind you, but I want you to try your best not to use any chair. Just focus on your own strength, descending into a squat, low and controlled, and with power, pushing your feet through the floor, rising back up. We're going to finish here, guys. We're going to squat down nice and deep, drive it up. Very good. Let's get another rep. Squat down nice and deep. Keep the chest tall and press. Awesome job today.